back workout. Exercise 1. Welcome back. Today, we're building a massive back starting with inverted row between chairs. Pull with your elbows and squeeze your lats. Do 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Exercise 2. Moving on to lever front pull down. Keep your back flat and pull the weight toward your hip. Aim for 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps per arm. Exercise 3. Next up is the cable reverse grip straight back seated high row back. Keep your arms straight and lift to shoulder height. Do 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Exercise 4. Now let's do cable rear pull down back. Maintain a strong posture and pull the bar to your lower stomach. 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. If you're enjoying these tips, please subscribe to Fit Motion for more daily workouts. Exercise 5. Finally, we have the cable pull down back. Focus on the muscle contraction and maintain slow reps. 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Go for as many reps as possible. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.